how to make $30,000 per month on YouTube. Tony Swedberg here, and I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. So if you guys are wondering, I'm in sunny Florida, beautiful day out, and I came across a channel that made it look like about $30,000 a month. It estimated around $26,000, but it was insane. Okay, so I come across this channel, right? And you guys can do this like right now. Like this will be like side money that turns into full-time income to making $1,000 a day. So make sure to stick around and really listen, maybe take notes and share this video with somebody you know, who it could help. So that's the one thing I ask you guys to do, is that share this video. But okay, so YouTube is a great platform, and we're gonna get right into it. So this guy, he would go to dealerships, car dealerships, and you know, he would be reviewing cars. So you know, I came across his channel pretty much. He was at like 38,000 subscribers. The next day, I clicked on his channel again somehow, and I was like, whoa, wait a second. He just hit 40,000 subscribers. So I mean, just for him to jump up 2,000 subscribers like that's pretty insane. So I looked him up on Social Blade. If you guys don't know what Social Blade is, it's where you can look up any YouTuber's name. It's gonna tell you how much they make, but it's not accurate. It just bases it off of like the average channel, which is very low CPM. So CPM is how much you get paid per every 1,000 views on YouTube. Okay, so not to get, you know, off subject here, but okay, so his views on the channel were 100,000 plus a day. Some were like 80,000, but most of them were like 160, 120, 112. Take in mind, guys, my channel currently gets over 100,000 views a month. Okay, so let's say I get 100,000 views in a month, which is not good for me. I get a $15 per every 1,000 views. So I'll make $1,500 that month. You know, tax-free, I pay at the end of the year, but tons of stuff you can write off on YouTube: cameras, traveling, whatever. You know, real stuff. Keep your receipts. Anyway, so $1,500 a month is like, you know, a bad month for me. But imagine if I was doing 100,000 a day, I would be making like $1,500 to $2,000 a day with the kind of views that this guy's getting. And I know his niche. His niche is, you know, going around cars and everything like that. Now, YouTube pays you off of like, you know, if people are gonna pay a lot to advertise in your video. So if you guys are like, yo, hey, it's your boy Tony, you know, and you're all over the place, nobody's gonna wanna put their ad before that. The title's gonna be like vlog. Nobody puts their ad before that. But if you're talking about like a car, they're gonna put commercial, Nissan commercials, Honda commercials, whatever the guy's talking about, car commercials, before, you know, him showing the cars and doing reviews. Take in mind, if you're like selling cars, if you're selling cell phones, the new iPhone comes out, the new Android, whatever, these are things that are gonna be typed in like crazy. So, you know, he's doing 2019 Dodge Charger, Hellcat, all these cool, you know, vehicles and stuff that car guys love, and it's getting tons of views and it's getting searched like crazy, and he's making a bunch of money, you guys, like 100,000 views a day. I mean, you can make like $2 grand a day. So this video, after doing this, you could be like, man, you know what? At work, I can videotape this. You know, your job could have like millions of dollars worth of products. Like, you know, I was in the car business, so selling Mercedes or selling Nissan or whatever, or even cell phones, or maybe you're selling clothes, whatever. Start opening up your mind, start making videos every day, and coming out with new stuff. New stuff gets people excited. It gets their emotions high. They watch your videos, they subscribe to you. New stuff. You can make a lot of money doing that, you guys. You can go full time. So you could be maybe using your job, making that 2, 3, 4 grand a month, but also making another 30 grand a month on the side. Your manager doesn't even know it. They just think you make videos. So And what you guys want to do is reverse engineer it. If you go to Google AdWords, that's where all these advertisement places, you know, they go and they find what they want to put their ads before. So they have an ad, they have a little video they made, they want to put it before certain videos. So you can see how much it costs to put it before marketing, before sales, before this, before that, before cell phones, whatever. And you can see how much they have to pay, and that's going to be your CPM. So you can get with some that pay 25 bucks every 1,000 30,000, or you can get with some that don't pay very well. So reverse engineer it really, and find a good niche that you can talk a lot about, give a lot of value about, show people stuff, you know, every month, every week, whatever. And you guys will be on your way to making $30,000 per month. So if you wanted to know how to make $30,000 per month on YouTube, new stuff that you can show people on YouTube. This, guys, could even inspire you to get a new job. Like I went to the car business, back into the car business, because it gave me more ideas for my videos. I could show my subscribers I'm living the life that I'm talking about. So that's just based off of the ads, but guys, share this video with somebody. There's so many different ways you can make money on YouTube. So first you want to build your following and just focus on that one thing. If you try to focus on that and selling stuff and doing this and all these different things, nothing's gonna grow, okay? I can tell you that from my personal experience. So just work on one thing, and that's making good content, grow a following. Remember, when you have 100 people, it's 100 people talking about you, telling another 100 people. If you have 1,000, telling 1,000, 10,000, telling 10,000. You're gonna start growing extremely fast. But in the beginning, it's gonna be a little bit tough unless you get lucky. But at 10,000 subscribers, YouTube will allow you to make a shirt and put it under all your videos. We'll have your shirts and clothing and hats and all these different things you can sell, you know. And if you sell, you know, a hat and you're making 10 bucks or something off of a t-shirt and you sell it to 10,000 people, well, guess what? You just made 100 grand. Different sponsors are gonna reach out to you and say, hey, can you promote this cell phone case if you're selling cell phones? Hey, can you promote the seat cover if you're showing cars on your channel? So people are gonna reach out to you and give you thousands and thousands of dollars, sometimes $10,000, just to shout out their app, just to shout out their product, just to shout out their website. Being a YouTuber is a great life. I don't see why more people don't wanna do it. Yeah, you gotta be on camera, but it's not just being a YouTuber, like it's one job. You get to talk about whatever you want. I mean, I'm literally out here just hanging out, not trying to be like an ad commercial or anything like all those guys are doing, but I'm hanging out. I do this all the time. If you look at my videos, I'm sitting here in a lot of them. But I make a video when I feel like it. You know, I work when I want to. Yeah, I treat it as a job and I got to get it done every day, but if I want to do it a little later, a little earlier, I just got to get it done, which I do every single day. And take in mind, guys, YouTube is something that you put your work into every single month, and you don't just get a check and have to start over. It builds over time. It makes you more and more money every single month. I've never made less in a month than I did. Every month I go up. Every month my paycheck is more. That's a great feeling, you guys. Even if I don't do anything for a full month, I'm still gonna make the same amount of money, maybe more. Because those videos, they just sit out there, they get more views, they rank higher. That's why it's way better than Instagram. You know, you post something, it's there for, you know, 30 minutes maybe at tops. YouTube videos, you'll be ranking #1 for years. You know, getting 50,000, 100,000 views on videos every single day. And you can post like your camera down below, you can post your couches. I know people post everything in their household down below with a little Amazon link. All you do is sign up real quick, Amazon Associates, and they give you a custom link. Anytime somebody clicks it and buys something, for the next 24 hours, you get paid commission on that. Building different sources of income is the most overwhelming thing until you start a YouTube channel and get a following. Everything becomes easy. I train people, they pay me, they make 5 times more than what they're paying for my training, but I'm getting paid and they're getting paid. Take in mind, guys, say something, you know, happens to someone in your family. You can start a GoFundMe and post a video. Let's say you got 100,000 people, you're set. Those people care about you, they're your fans. You've never done them wrong. They're gonna help you out. You're gonna have more than enough money to solve any problem. All right, that's it for the video. Please share this video and inspire someone to start a YouTube channel. That's all I ask. Have a great day.